Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background from a video and add in like a new background to it. So just don't right click this video, but just go to cutout and simply select auto cutout and it will instantly remove your background. If you want to add in a background from CapCut, make sure it's on the first main track. Go to canvas and you can either go to style, go to branded backgrounds, or color for it. I'm just going to go to style for this video, and you can just simply add in a background of your choice like so. You can also add in like a background from like videos and stuff like that if you'd like to. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!